I'm Steve Boley, and Dr. Anderson's been my physician for about 15 years now. And what we've done with executive medicine is the testosterone treatment, and also we're taking Somorelin as well. And what it's done, I think, is it's enabled me to be a lot more active than I would normally be and have a lot more energy so that I can stay active. I ride a road bike, and recently we had an event where we did 310 miles in 4 days on the Allegheny Trail. We went from Pittsburgh to Washington, D.C., and that was an event for wounded warriors where we were able to raise about $430,000 in funding for that. So it was a very interesting ride through very beautiful country, very historical country, going on the Allegheny Trail from Pittsburgh to Cumberland, Maryland, and then on the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal, the old Chesapeake and Ohio Canal. We actually go down the Mule Trail there into Gaithersburg, Maryland, just outside of Washington, D.C. So it's the area where during the Civil War, that's where Lee crossed the Potomac, going first up into Antietam, and then a year later up into Gettysburg. And so it was just interesting to go through that area and see things that I'd read about, see those places.